Can we just do Russian roulette already?
It's me, Mario!
Okay, so I know it's probably been like, what, 5 months since I've posted, but I don't know. I don't really have a reason. I just got tired of editing and I lost passion for a while, but I'm back and I kind of enjoyed making this video too, as you can tell by my dolphin laughing. But I hope you guys enjoy it. So, peace. Step out of the boundary.
Let's play Russian roulette. Let's play Russian roulette, buddy.
Russian roulette is not the same without a gun.
Shoot it 5 times.
Okay.
Not at me.
Come on. Gotta.
Okay.
Alright.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5. I think, right? Yep.
There one ball in there?
Yep.
Spin it. I want to start.
I'm starting.
Well, now you gotta put more ammo because you cheated.
I didn't cheat. That was the one bullet. Oh.
Yep. Russian roulette time. Yep.
Both stayed down the middle of that gun.
Guys, give me a second.
No.
A second. Turn this bad boy upside down.
No.
I saw the bullet.
Where the fuck did the gun go?
That's down here.
Oh, it's right there.
It's right there. You're blind.
I'll bring it up.
You chucked it off the table, Caden.
Shoot yourself. Kill yourself. Your life is nothing. This might be the bullet. It's on me. Why is he covering his mouth like it's a YouTube video? That took my turn. Yeah, because he tried to kill me. I'll just take it again. I'm 50 cents. Oh god. Oh god, look at his lifeless body. Corbin killed himself. No one take my dynamite.
Corbin killed himself. I didn't know snowballs were that hard now. I didn't know they put gunpowder down. What are you doing with that arm?
It was my snowball.
No, guys, I chucked a snowball at you guys and it exploded. And it looked like the dynamite.
Guys, it's just a snowball. Guys, it's just a snowball. Oh my god. Guys, it's just a snowball.
Just a snowball that's on fire? And that's a fuse?
There's literally no fuse left. Look.
No.
Everybody, let's go play some Russian roulette. Let's go play some snowball fight.
Ah!
Guys, I think I won the snowball fight.
I'm Spider-Man!
I'm gonna kill this guy.
I agree.
You don't have to use that.
It's literally, it's in case of emergency stock.
Okay.
In case the bullet's on you, huh?
Yeah. Why would you have your blame me or something? Why would you have blame me or something like that, Caden? Plunges!
Can we just do Russian roulette already?
It's me, Mario!
Oh,
Mario, are you like my dad or something? Because you really left it.
PC Mario?
Yeah?
where the you go?
Do a flip! Do a
Where you
flip!
going?
Ah!
Oh, Corbin was doing that. After I killed you.
Still.
I just did a red ass flip. Did you guys see that?
No.
Yeah, I did. From the grave, though.
I can't take life anymore. Ah!
Oh shit! Holy shit! Fucking dumbass!
Holy shit, you're a fucking retard.
Wait. No! I was gonna save you. Oh my.
Corbin.
Wake up.
Anyways, there's
Wake
one
up.
over here.
Oh, there is?
Wait! Should we play Glass Bridge? In
Why
the
you're-
minefield? Should we play Glass Bridge in the minefield, guys?
Guys, what is it?
Yeah,
Mine
you
wasn't
close your
there
eyes
yet.
and hit.
Everybody
And hope that you
trust
don't-
each other?
Yeah, I trust you.
The landmine wasn't there yet. It just spawned and
Alright,
killed
we
me.
go to landfill and then we close our eyes and then we just jump.
$5 says I'm gonna hit
Oh,
one
shoot,
fish
there's one right
try.
there.
My eyes are closed.
Trust you guys.
Wait.
Alright, line up and run.
Ah! I made it so far. Oh. Guys, I died. They touched me in weird ways. Okay, guys, round 2. I'm making it this time.
I was gonna say, let's make him think.
I
He has
made
a bomb.
it.
He has a bomb. He has a bomb.
I-
He has a bomb on him, Corbin. Corbin,
I-
he has a bomb on him. He has a bomb on him. He has a bomb on him. He has a bomb on him.
I made it.
He has a bomb on him. No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I made good. Oh.
I heard you explode before.
The first time, and then I ran back. Come
He
down
has a
here.
bomb on him. Be careful. He has a bomb on him. Be careful. I told you he had a bomb.
Let's switch back!
$5 says I'm gonna hit on the line.
Did I make it?
I don't know. Did you? I hit a tree, so we must. Yeah, you're good. You're good, Corbin.
I made it.
Me too. I think Caden might have exploded. He's not talking.
Hey, my
Damn
bag went missing. Dude, my bag went missing.
Get out! Get out!
I told you he had a grenade. I heard him screaming, so I knew he had a grenade. He was doing a battle cry.
No, I was screaming because I was running through the minefield. I thought a grenade always spawns in there, Caden.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Why would you waste it?
Give me when I'm in the VR. Can't give me when I'm in the VR.
Oh, you stole my boombox. I was trying to sell it. You stole the boombox.
You're not gonna.
That is you, am I? Why did you guys? Oh. 2292. Give me your ankle. You got an evil on me! You got an evil on me! I think so! Double minded! Did you ever decide of uncrouching? You crouched. That's kind of cool. But what the? Ah! Did you just call him an object? What if he feels insulted by that? No, this is actually this. Oh. That is not normal. Hey, I'm not your dad. Leave me alone. Ow! I didn't like that map. What if we just play a blank map? Yeah, I like this. Oh my! Huh? You're a disappointment. Yeah! Ah! Oh my! I gotta get something. I gotta get something. No! No! Ah! What's this? I'm just. Oh, yeah, this is a map we live on. I go! Ah, dang it! Ah, dang it! Ah! Here's last tweets, it clicked. Just grabbing at your eyes. Just, ah! Yeah! We killed him once. How many times did he kill us? Ah! Get out of here! I'm scared. Yeah, stop. What if we... No, I can't do that. I'm gonna get demonetized. Wait. Let's settle this like gentlemen. Wait. Let's settle this like gentlemen. Fam. Oh my. Ah! My pee-pee weenie! Yeah. Oh my. How did I die? Fuck, Corbin, just wait. Get out of here! Ah. I'm trying to do something. Leave me alone. Both of you, leave me alone. I'm doing something. I should have pulled the mag out. This thing's accident phone, dog. I got it. That'd be funny. Take it, I want to see you start flying. Oh no, it traveled the marathon away. Go. Blocky poo. Mo's gonna become an airplane when he shoots that. Ow! Ceasefire! Don't mind the distant gun sound. No, come on. We are. You do something fun without killing anybody like Corbin. Okay, I won't. I gave him the giant Glock and he... You have to, it's fine, I'm a giant. Oh, okay, I found it. Yeah. You gotta become a mini dude. Or you're normal size piston for me. My bad. Here, I'll help you. There is. There should be. Yeah, there's an. How? There. Yeah. Man, get jumped. Oh no. God, no, Corbin, not again. Hey, calm down. Hey. Ow! You thought. No. Donald Duck! Bombs away! Bro, you hit the thing. Ah! Hey, I'm a baby. Gentle. Okay, here's the deal about this. The reason the video ended so shortly is both the headsets died, and yeah, so we didn't really get to record an ending for it. But I just hope you guys enjoyed this video for like the 5 people that might have actually watched it. But hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.